Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create worm gear mechanism in SolidWorks. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. We will make each and every gear and assemble at the end, and we will do the little animation. I wish you like it. So let's start. Now here let's make the first part of worm gear. Choose here front plane, sketch, select line, and start to draw from one end. Exit. Now this is our geometry. So first define it. 116 mm, 10 mm, 56 mm. Keep 10 mm. By default 40. Now select this height. 8.25 mm. Choose this mid 9.5 mm. Keep 9 mm. And let's define the distance from origin point to one end. Keep 38 mm. And distance from bottom line 11.7 mm. This also let's define 9 mm. Now see, the geometry is fully defined. So go to feature here, find out revolve BOSE base and select this bottom line as a axis. Okay. Now see here, we will define the material polished steel. Now select here right plane, sketch, normal, select the outer circle and convert it. Now it's going to convert. You can see here it's converted. Now we want to create here thread, worm gear thread. So we have to create first path. So select this circle, feature, and find out here helix and spiral. We will create first path. Select here height and pitch 24 mm, 6 mm uncheck reverse box, 90 degree clockwise, and this one uncheck. Okay. Now we want to create teeth profile. So choose front plane, sketch, normal. First draw the center line, vertical construction line. Let's draw one circle here and define this circle from this line 3.5 mm, diameter keep 2 mm. Okay, select here line, select up to this circle, then vertical line, exit, mirror, select these two lines and mirror against vertical center line. Okay, now connect both the lines in bottom. Choose here trim entity, trim this inside lines. Okay, tangent. Okay, now define this width 3.8 mm, and any distance from here, it's no matter. Now simply exit. Now it's time to create the worm gear thread. So find out here swift to BOSE base. The profile selected, just select the path. You can see here. Okay. Now the one side thread created. Now we will create a half thread. So select here first sketch 2. Click here helix and spiral. You can select the plane, right plane. Okay. Now select this circle previous sketch 2, convert and select helix and spiral. Now again we need to create the thread path. So this time keep the everything same, height and pitch 24/6, and only change the direction and counterclockwise 90 degree. Okay. Now see. Now select this face sketch. Now select the sketch number 3, convert entity. Now it is converted. Now simply exit. Now again choose the same swift to BOSE base. See here profile is selected, just select here path. Now you can see the worm gear thread. Now this is the worm gear thread. See, here we will make some keyhole. So sketch, choose corner rectangle, exit. Select these 3 lines and make relation symmetric. Now let's define distance from midpoint. Just click here and you will find the center point. Or let's define circle. This is the center point. Keep 7.22. (3.25 mm), 1.5 mm. Okay. Now it's time to extrude cut. Go to feature and select here extruded cut command. Make it 20 mm. Okay. Now the key slot is created. So this is our first part, worm gear. Now let's save this part, desktop, create one folder, worm gear. This is our first part. Select this part, worm gear. Now let's make the next part, worm. Let's do the here next part, worm. Choose front plane, sketch, select here circle, make here 2 circles. Outer circle keep 87 mm diameter and inner keep 30 mm. Select center line, vertical center line. Let's make rectangle. (10 mm). Okay. Now we will make a relation. Select these 3 lines and make relation symmetric. Okay, choose trim entity, okay, again choose dimension and select this, keep 4 mm. Okay, now it's time to extrude. Keep here end condition mid plane 22.7 mm. Okay, now let's define the material, polished steel. See here, select fillet, keep 2 mm, select this face, circular face. Okay, delete. We want to add chamfer, not fillet. 2 mm 45 degree. Now select this surface or face. Okay, now see here, right plane, sketch, normal. First draw the center line. Circle. Keep the distance here to center line 52 mm and keep the diameter 21 mm. See here. Okay, select center line and draw a horizontal construction line. Make sure it is horizontal. Now it's time to cut. We want to cut a half circle here, a slightly circle revolve cut. Now select here axis. See this axis we selected. Now it's going to cut from the right plane, right direction. Now see. Now it's time to create some thread. Select here right plane, sketch, and select the previous sketch, this circle, convert. See, it is converted, helix and spiral. Now we want to create one spiral path. Select pitch and revolution, 6 mm pitch and revolution 0.25 mm, 90 degree counterclockwise, reverse direction. Okay, now see the path. Now let's select front plane, sketch, normal. Now here we will make the profile. First draw a vertical center line. Now select here one option, center point arc. Select any one place and draw a arc. Exit. Now select both the end of arc and make relation horizontal. Here also select the line and draw one line. Exit. Let's mirror this line to opposite direction. Now cancel it. Here we will make some relation. Select these 3 lines and create relation symmetric. Okay. Select here 3-point arc. Select this point to this point. Now mirror against vertical line. Okay. Now it's time to define the dimension. From center point to the center of arc, 39.13 mm. Keep the radius 1.8 mm. See here. Okay. Now let's take upward. 6.9 mm, radius 18 mm, and select this distance. .65 mm. 1.35 mm. Okay. Now this is the our geometry, profile geometry. If you can, okay. Now exit. Now here we want to cut a profile, so just simply go to feature, select here swift cut, select the profile first. This profile selected. Now it is asking for path, so select this path. You can see here. Okay. Now see, we cut one path here. You can see here. Now it's time to create another path. So select our previous, first we will select, define this plane, right plane, sketch. That's it. Now select the our first circle, go to sketch and convert it. That's it. Feature and select here helix and spiral. Keep the same thing, only choose counterclockwise. Reverse direction. See, it's become twisted. Now this okay, clockwise and reverse direction unchecked, 6.25. Okay. Now see, the second path is created. Now select sketch 4. Okay, path is there and profile also there, so you can directly select here sweep cut. Sketch 4 selected, just select path. Now see, it's going to cut in opposite direction. Okay. Now see, we cut a tapered teeth. It's little tapered in cross direction. Now it's time to make multiple number of patterns. Circular pattern, and here first select sweep cut 1, sweep cut 2, and select this circular face. We want 44 number of threads. Okay. It will take time maybe, because now see, so this is the our worm gear. Let's try steel satin finish. Okay, this is quite better because we can see the geometry. Now let's save the part 2 worm. Now let's start the assembly of worm gear, and we will see how to. Let's make the assembly of worm gear. Select here new assembly. Okay. Now see, this is the window of SolidWorks assembly. Let's browse the parts. Select both the parts and open. Now right click on the worm gear and select here float, and this also make sure both the parts in floating mode. Now first we'll fix this part. So select worm gear 2 and select the front plane and select the front plane of assembly and click mat. It's going to mat here, coincident, okay. Now select origin point and select this center and select here concentric. It's going to fix in center, okay. Now drag this worm gear. Now it's time to for worm gear. First here select temporary axis. Select front plane, mat and choose the axis of worm gear. Coincident, okay. Now just drag it. We want to fix in particular position. Now we want to fix this mesh, so select this face, normal, and drag this mesh, keep little inside. Okay, it looks in better position. Now select this top plane, mat, select this face and click here distance and distance keep 41 same, okay. Now it is fixed with this distance also. Here, okay, temporary axis showing, okay. Now let's make one more relation. Choose here top plane, mat and select the axis of worm gear and here select distance. Keep the distance same, whatever, 53.08, okay. Okay. Now hide. Temporary axis. Now see, this gear is rotating. This is the position. Let's correct this position so that we like this position. Now it's time to make a special. Choose here mat, go to mechanical mat and choose here gear. Select this circle inside and select this face and here we will make the relation 30 by 16.5 mm. Okay, select here okay. Now let's save this assembly. See, it is rotating. Now it's time to make animation. Right click on the tab Motion Manager. Go to Motion Manager, open the window. First select here option Motion Study Properties. Keep this animation as it is. Change the frame rate. I prefer 25 seconds per second. OK. Drag this assembly up to 12 seconds. Choose here motor. Select this inside circular face and click 110 RPM. OK. Now select here calculate. It is rotating very fast. I think we need to make it little slow. So just drag this assembly to 0. Right click on rotary motor, edit. Say only 100 mm, calculate. Let's play. Now you can see this is the worm gear mechanism. I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. And don't forget to share and like our videos. After completing this video, you can directly save this window. Give any name, AVI file, and custom ratio I prefer 16:9 inch, 25 frame, save. Uncheck frame key, OK. Now it is again restarting. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.